time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time we pray.
Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So you guys, I'm so excited because today is a very big, I'm getting tongue-tied because I'm just so excited. Today's a very big video for all of us as a collective. Why? Because we finally hit 30K, you guys. We have 30K family members that are a part of this family. Like, that's so crazy to me. Like, oh my god, you guys, like, it's 30,000 of y'all. Like, it's 30,000. Imagine a room filled with 30,000 people. That's a lot of people, y'all. But like I promised you guys, I said as soon as we hit 30K, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. Y'all, the cars are just rude, but I know y'all are tired of hearing me talking. Y'all want to see what y'all are gonna be getting, so let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so really quickly before we get into the giveaway prizes, I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know all of the rules for the giveaway. It's going to be really simple, not too much. All you're gonna do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, okay? You're going to thumbs this video up, leave me a comment down below telling me if you win, what you want to win. Like, if you're the first place winner, let me know what you would want. Okay, actually, you know what, we're not even gonna do that. Just let me know down below what you want. Everybody, like, just pick. Do you want the lashes? Do you want the hair? Do you want the makeup stuff? Just let me know what y'all want. And then, like, if you're the first place winner, I'll just ask you in a message, like on Instagram or something. And then the last thing that you guys are gonna do is follow me on Instagram, okay? Because I asked you guys a lot of stuff on Instagram. I'm gonna be doing a lot of Instagram lives, polls and stuff to try to figure out what you guys want to see from me. That just makes it much easier. I'm gonna start trying to figure out how to do YouTube polls as well, since you guys are already here. But until then, just come follow me on Instagram. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. So all you're gonna do is subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below telling me what you guys want. Oh, I forgot, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And then the last thing is follow me on Instagram. If you cannot remember all this, it will be down below in the description box, so you can just go there and look. It'll say like giveaway rules, and then it'll be under there. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into these giveaway prizes. Let's get into these giveaway prizes. Let's get into these giveaway prizes. So I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. I'm trying to decide if I want to start with the third winner, because there are going to be 3 winners because we're hitting 30K. So I decided to do 3 winners for the 3 and 30. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the third winner. So not the first winner, but the third. Okay, right? So the third person to be picked is gonna be winning all 3 of my lashes. Okay, so in case you guys didn't know, I do have a lash collection, but I am currently working on some things on my website, which is why I haven't really been talking about it, because you can't purchase right now unless you like DM me on Instagram. Like, if you DM me and say, Makaya, I don't want to wait, just like give me, you know, I'm gonna give you my address and I'll give you some through Cash App or something like that, then I can probably get them to you guys. But right now my website is not up. So yes, I do have a lash line. So the lashes that you're gonna be getting are these mink lashes, and these are in the style 1997, which is the year that I was born. These are more full and flirty. The second pair of lashes you guys are gonna be getting are these. They're more of the natural lash. These are in the style 7, which is my favorite number. In case you guys didn't know, I literally have a number 7 on my arm. Y'all, it's a long story. Well, it's not really a long story. My birthday is 7/7/97, so that's why most of my stuff is around 7. That's just like my number, you know what I mean? And the third pair of lashes are these. And as you can see, they are different from these. So these are all 3 of them. Let's see if I can. Right, so these are in the style She's 21 because I launched my lashes on my birthday, which is when I was turning 21. So these are the style She's 21. And yeah, so the third place winner will be winning my whole lash collection, all 3 pairs of my lashes, y'all. And I know y'all have asked me like, what lashes am I wearing? Most of the time, for the most part, I wear these lashes. Like, I wear these lashes a lot. And for like super dramatic looks, I wear these. And when I want to be like just subtle, just pretty, effortless, I wear these. So in case y'all didn't know, there are different lashes for different looks. You don't want to be wearing the same kind of lashes for every look. It's just not gonna be, you know, something different. Okay, so I'm gonna stop rambling. We're gonna move on to the second runner-up. So the first item that the second runner-up is gonna be receiving is this Travel MAC lipstick, and this one is in the shade Velvet Teddy. This is like the perfect like nude for women of color, like, or anyone. Like, it's not gonna show up as nude if you're lighter than me, but if you're a woman of color and you're like my color, a little bit lighter and darker, this is gonna be a really nice nude for you guys. So I'm really excited about this. I actually have my own. Now this one I'm excited about. A lot of you guys used to ask me, what bronzer is that? Like, I've tried to look it up. I've tried to go out to the store and find it and buy it, but you guys couldn't find it. They don't sell them at all the stores. It's like, if you see it, you just grab it. It's like one of those kind of things. So this is the Sunkissed Giant Bronzer. I know y'all remember this. Like, if you're an OG on my channel, you're gonna remember this bronzer because I used to use this a lot, okay? And I know it looks light, but it does come up. Like, it comes off on your face very bronzy. If you're my complexion, a little bit darker and a little bit lighter, this is like a great bronzer, for real, y'all, for real. The next item you guys are gonna be receiving is a Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, honey. And this is what it looks like. Fresh, never used. So nice. Okay, so all you girls who are just now getting into contouring and highlighting, or you might even be a pro at it by now, this is gonna be perfect to add to your kit. There are also my color correcting shade. So for everyone who asks me, what do you use to color correct and stuff like that, I use the color corrector that's in the Anastasia contour palette, contour kit. And oh y'all, the plastic slipped out. I'm gonna put that back in there. Yes, so I use the middle shade right here to cream correct, and then I use the middle shade to contour. But if you're a little bit darker than me, you use this shade. If you're a little bit lighter than me, you use this shade. And these are highlight shades. So I'm really excited for whoever receives this. Like, when you receive this, let me know how you like it, because I want to see if y'all like the same kind of stuff I do. The next 2 products are both from MAC. This first product is the MAC eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade Little Lily. It's never been used before. Y'all, the packaging is a little bit beat up though. The box that it's in is a little beat up. But this is what it looks like. It's like a really nice light purple, and it has like glitter flakes in it. As you can see, there are no fingerprints. I have my own. I've actually used this eyeshadow in a lot of my looks. Anytime I wear like a colorful look, besides today, like the pink looks that I do like just different looks I do. I always use this in the inner corner because depending on the eyeshadow that you have on your lid, it can either come up purple or it'll sometimes come up like pinky or periwinkly and stuff like that. So I love this eyeshadow. And then we have the gloss, y'all. Now this gloss is discontinued, which means you cannot buy this anywhere, okay? They are gone, which means if you get this, girl, you got something that don't nobody really got, okay? I have a bunch of them, and this is what it looks like. It's a really bomb gloss. It comes out clear and it has like a little bit of glitter in it, so it's really nice as a lip topper. Like let's say you put on like a chocolate lip or a pink lip, it's just gonna come out, it's just gonna look that color that you have on, but it's gonna have those little glitter flakes over it. Like it's just really pretty. It's a really nice lip topper. And then last but not least, you guys are gonna be receiving these shades from Sunglass Spot. These shades, and they're like the cat eye, y'all know that is in. I'm not gonna put them on just because I don't want to get my makeup and stuff all on like the sides and stuff, but yeah, this is what the glasses look like. So that is the runner-up, the second runner-up, and you guys will have a choice to pick what you want. Because the first person that I pick, if you don't want the next thing that I'm about to talk about, then you can request the second thing or the third thing, whatever you want. So whoever gets picked first gets to pick whatever they want, okay? I'm just gonna put it that way. That's gonna be your reward, is being able to pick whichever one you want. So the third and last part of the giveaway is whoever wins this will be receiving, you gotta drop one of them, you will be receiving 3 bundles and a closure. This is a, no girl, this is a frontal, I'm sorry, a frontal, honey. This is a full lace frontal. You know what that means? That means whoever wins this, girl, you do not have to go buy your hair. You can take this and you can make you a whole wig out of it, honey. You can make a wig, you can make a closure wig. In case you guys didn't know, if you ever get a frontal and you don't want to wear a whole frontal, you can cut a closure out of this. I've done it before. So whether you want to wear a full lace front or you want to wear a closure wig, honey, you have your front piece, okay? So you're going to be getting a frontal and you're going to be getting 3 bundles. And I think these bundles are either 24 or 20. No, girl, these are long. These are either 24 or 26. Something like that. Because these are super long. Like, they're literally touching my thigh. They are all the same lengths. So yeah, you're going to be receiving like 3 bundles of 24 to 26 inches, not sure. And then you're going to be receiving a 22-inch frontal. So yeah, you guys, that is all of the giveaway stuff. Stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. I just want to say thank you to you guys. Like, it means the world to me that you guys like me enough to subscribe to my channel. Like, y'all, I will get choked up talking about it, okay? So I'm not gonna really get into it that deep, but I do want to say that I thank you guys so much for watching my videos. You guys mean so much to me, y'all. I just wish I could just reach out and hug all 30,000 of you guys. And please understand, I know my subscribers. If you ask somebody down in the comments, hey, do Makaya be talking to y'all and responding to y'all? They're gonna say yes, because y'all, every time somebody snap me, like send me a message on Snapchat, I be replying. When you guys leave comments down below, sometimes I forget, y'all. I literally be forgetting that there's even a comment section sometimes, but I always get back to it and I respond to everybody, whether it's 100 comments, 3 comments, 2 comments. I appreciate them all, and I'll try my best to respond or at least like everybody's comment. So yeah, thank you guys again for 30K, and we can only go up from here, you guys. So our next goal is gonna be 40K, then 50K, okay, and then 100K, you guys, hopefully. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.